Morning, YouTube. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're keeping well. It's going to be a quick one today. I'm just about to be on my way to pick up a tonneau cover I ordered and get it installed. So I'm just going to show you what this truck looks like without the tonneau cover. I'll show you when we get the tonneau cover on it and some functionality, and I'll link where I got it below. Again, if you're new to the channel, you like trucks, Toyotas, TRDs, automobiles, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year. Thanks so much for all the support. I think we're almost at 400 subscribers already, so appreciate every single one of you for checking out my videos on my channel. All right, guys, here's the truck without the tonneau cover installed. And obviously the truck looks great and all, but it is a bit of an eyesore not having a cover over that bed. Obviously there is the convenience where I can just walk up to the bed and put stuff in it, but there's also the inconvenience of stuff flying out of the bed if I don't tie it down. So you're definitely going to want to get yourself a tonneau cover. I got a hard trifold. I just think it looks better, it's more durable. Without further ado, let's go to the store and get this tonneau cover. Also, quick note, am I saying that properly? Tonneau cover? Let me know down below. I have no idea how to say this word. All right, so we are at the store, CW Limited. This is in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. If anyone's local, they do free install if you go on site. So figured I'd have them install it, make it a little easier. All right, guys, tonneau cover has been installed. Let's check it out. As you can see, it's the hard trifold. I think you can fit up to 400 pounds on top of this, so it's pretty sturdy and durable. A few things that I really like about it is its locking, and obviously this tailgate locks, so if this tailgate is locked, you cannot get into the truck bed. Tailgate basically needs to be opened. From here, right below, there's a little handle latch here, so you pull that up and it trifolds. So I mean, super simple to just unlock it with the latch. There's a latch on each side, but you only need to get one to get it open. So you can just pull that up, fold it back, and you can actually drive with this up. I'll show you that in a second. So now I've actually just climbed up into the bed of the truck. So there's a couple different ways to do this if you want the tonneau cover partially open while you're driving. Maybe you have something pretty large. A couple different ways is we have the clips here, so you can just unclip, clip one on here. Same thing on the other side. You can clip. So what this does is, I can fold it back for the two-fold, but if it's windy or this is moving, it's getting caught. So it's not going to flip forward. That's the first way to do it with driving it open. Second way is just putting the stands up. So you'll see here a piece of padding. This is so that you don't break through the glass in your rear window here. So if I push this all the way up, sorry, one hand got to unlock. I can just rest it against so it's not going to break. And then on each side here, you'll see we have a stand. So the stand goes up, goes down, and it also locks in place. Same thing on the other side. Stand goes up, down, locks in place, and we just have these little inserts here on the back. So maybe I need the tonneau cover up a little bit. If I have a big load in here, what I can do is just I almost fell on my face. Can just make this locked, put it in the insert. Same thing on the other side, goes on the insert. Then I can put those clips at the back and I can drive with the tonneau cover fully up. Pretty easy to take it out. You can just put it back down, unlock it. You can unlock it, put it up or down. You just fold it back in and stand. Clips right in. Did it with the other one already. Now you can just fold it back. That's two. Jump off the bed for the third. So for the third, take this one back. You can push it down, make sure it locks. Throw the tailgate up. Again, nobody can get in if my tailgate is locked. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with my key. You can simply come in, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Tailgate's locked. Nobody's getting in my truck bed. And there it is. Tacoma's looking a lot better with the hard trifold tonneau cover. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have a favorite tonneau cover that you use, feel free to let the subscribers know. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.